Kirkhoff, Director of Kinetiq Health here at Apex Benefits. Welcome to this week's Better Health in 90. September is National Fruits and Veggies Month, reminding people of the importance of fruits and veggies in our diet. Scientific research demonstrates the importance of fruits and vegetable intake to reduce the risk of and manage chronic disease, as well as improve health and well-being. Today, I'm going to share an easy breakfast recipe that is a great opportunity to add your favorite fresh fruit to. Something important to remember when it comes to eating and cooking fruits and vegetables is that all forms count: canned, frozen, fresh, and 100% fruit juices. Today we're going to make easy overnight oats using old-fashioned rolled oats. I will do a half a cup. Pour. Milk. Depending on the type of milk you prefer, I will be using almond milk. Using about a third of a cup, maybe a little bit more once I eye it. Then honey or maple syrup, depending on your preference. Agave is a good one too, just to add some sweetness to it. This could also be really good topped with cinnamon. Probably about a teaspoon of honey. Then yogurt or nut butter of your choice. This is a great opportunity to add a little bit of protein to your overnight oats. I'm using just a plain Greek yogurt. Next, I'm going to do about a tablespoon of chia seeds. These are optional, but they do add fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids into your breakfast. So what I'll do is mix this up. Close it with my lid. Throw it in the refrigerator before I go to bed. Wake up the next morning and add my favorite fresh fruit, blueberries, and my breakfast is ready to go. Thanks for joining this week's Better Health in 90. See you next time.